Hey y'all, it's been a minute. I know. Yeah, it's been a minute. But welcome back to my channel. This is the last vlog for my Naija series. But come along with me as I take you from Udi in Enugu to Igboukwu in Anambra State. Igboukwu is a special place in my heart. It's where I grew up. Part of my childhood memories are in this village. My mom sent us back home when I was 4. My grandparents raised us during those few years that we were in the village. So this place will always have a special place in my heart, a very special place in my heart. So this place right here is Okwa Market. This is where, the market square is pretty much. Funny enough, I just realized why this place is called Okwa. But I know some of you guys know there are 4 market days, or pretty much 8 market days in the Igbo calendar, the Igbo, I don't know what you call it. But I have another video as to why that is, so stay tuned. But for now, enjoy the video as I take you from Anambra to Imo State, which is my father's maternal home, or my father's home, so my paternal home. So yeah.
Village here. Touch their land, they will tell you how much.
They're trying.
Anambra. That's why they said the P2B did not utilize the opportunity to develop.
Sir? Yeah? Come on, what? You said what? Oh, yeah. I mean, he's just going everywhere. Chiwe, Kekiwe. Hey, yeah. And this is where Father K would stay, so he had his own room.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So, this used to be a poultry here. Mama had chicken. Yeah, Mama had chicken.
It's a big property.
Huh?
A big property.
Yeah, and then those are the bathrooms over there.
Wow.
And then I'm not sure what this one. This is probably just sure. This is the kitchen.
Of course.
So this is where, like, I mean, I don't know if they still cook kale, but we used to cook kale when we were younger. And then we had goats. They used to stay inside there. Wow. Aqua. Man. So this is boho now. Hey, Auntie. Good morning. Good morning.
How you doing, Auntie?
I do well.
You want to enjoy Naija anyhow?
I love it.
Give me the secret now so I can enjoy it too.
Let's see. Auntie, I do.
Good to see you.
Yes, Uncle, thank you.
Wow.
So we used to eat here, like, and then this is where we used to take our naps. You see all these pictures. You see Oge.
Is this your mom right there?
Yeah, that's my mom. And that's her over there. That's my mom.
Your mom was fine.
So fun fact, my mom is actually one of 11 children. She's number 2.
Why woman?
She was though. And see Uncle Chica. So another fun fact, this right here is my grandfather. He raised us as well with my grandmother. And he is a teacher, or he was a teacher. A very intelligent man. He taught in Gabon. He taught in other African countries in the West, the western part of Africa. He went to university in Sierra Leone, one of the first few that went to university during that time. And he really imparted education and the love of God into his children. Education was something that was very important. You couldn't do anything as a child or as one of his children. You couldn't get married if you did not have a college education. So he was one of those African men that really valued education. That's why my family, education is something that it's expected. It's just expected. It's not something that It's a choice. You just have to get an education and then live your life.
Correct.
Uncle was handsome back in the day too.
Of course. Go ahead now. Of course now.
Good.
Finally.
This is the original.
It must happen. It must happen.
What happened to your voice?
You know, Naija now.
Naija what?
I lost everything. I lost everything.
Wait, let's go upstairs. Come back in.
Okay, I'm going to go
Okay, Mama, why is your holy child? Where by your school? Okay, I ain't got ferry. I ain't got ferry. Man, I checked the mafia.
If the secondary school, they put the somewhere, everyone is St. Patrick's is not. Yeah, what I have my birthday cake set.
Okay.
Well, now.
Thank you.
So this is the main living room.
This is the main living room. Papa used to sit over there.
That was his chair.
That was his chair.
That's
his chair. Yeah.
This mama over here.
That's Mama, yes,
The
sir.
mama.
Yes, sir.
Nekosi mother and the chicken. The first Maria Congress in Nigeria.
Wow. Came in on the picture, too, in the picture. Came in on.
Mama, father not bugging.
Ana mabia kosi na-ese foto ebe anaghị eme ihe maka nke ahụ nke ahụ call it at Silver Jubilee. This picture Silver Jubilee. Okay.
This house is big.
Yeah, Uncle Chica's house, right? I know, but that's, I guess. Let me pause real quick. This right here is my vivacious, vibrant grandmother, Philomena Musu. As you can see, she has a lot of energy. She's 85 years old. She's in the village. She loves it there. She doesn't want to go anywhere else. And she's just so much full of energy. You know, the older I get, the more I begin to appreciate her. You know, appreciate her wisdom, appreciate her stories, appreciate her prayers. She gave birth to 11 children, y'all. 11. 8 girls and 3 boys. Yeah, kudos.
Yeah, somewhere there. Because when you don't work. That's why you do it.
Yeah, example.
Yes, sir.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
This is village, my childhood home memories. I think the only thing different now is that the grounds are cemented. Growing up, it was just all sand, red clay, but my people are trying to be fancy and extra. So they went and tied these for whatever reason, but it looks nice, I guess. Gives it a whole new look, you know? So, yeah, it's cool. That's our family's, other family house over there. Across the streets, Bim and Yuki. Some things never change, which is good.
Let's say a small prayer in the name of the Father, Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Father, we thank you for this morning you have given us, and we commit the rest of this journey into your hands. When you cry, give them chance, them go kill you. I remember when my mother did suffer from bleeding.
So we are currently leaving Igboukwu, heading to Mbise, which is in Imo State. This is my father's village, my place of origin. That's what the Igbos consider your place of origin, wherever your father is from. However, Igboukwu was where I was raised. It was where I was brought up. This is what I've known for so long. But going to Mbise, it's a big trip for me. And it's really big because it's a trip, or it's a symbol of forgiveness on my part to my father it's a trip of letting go of things that are not serving me, anger, hate, resentments. I mean, you can name it. And you know, you hold on to something for so many years and you realize it's no longer serving you, and you just have to find peace in letting that go and just forgive and move forward. And God sees, He sees it. So I'm very thankful that I was able to make this trip, not just by myself, but with my husband, which I never thought I would ever do. But hey, we make our plans, but God has something different.
The third born say 9 ton now.
Oh, wow. So only the day for the consequence.
Don't mind them.
Wow. These stubborn people. Where they will go fire gun for their house like a phone. They never see anything.
Ah, gosi na die biara ka ha fogo go.
Ada agbèrègbà
na die biara ka ha fogo.
You don't pass my own, eh?
Once I get the note, now all these things will let me enjoy it.
So, yeah, so.
She ties.
I don't tie jam.
You have to tie.
Oh, where are you stationed at? Are you in Sokoto?
Yeah.
How do you like it?
No, Sokoto is okay. Yeah, managing. But it's okay. It's not. There's no crisis there.
Are you almost done?
No, I'll be done in July.
Wow. Now, please hurry up and come off of there.
All of us will be here from here to the market street.
I'll tell you, but everything is okay.
Closer to the market street.
So we finally made it to Mbise. So in order not to lose you guys, just wanted to give you a little background on what's going on. So pretty much it's continuing of the traditional rites with the marriage, or of our marriage, that we didn't get to do before we got married. So what you're going to see the next videos are just going to be a lot of speeches, a lot of blessings onto the couple, Chinedu and I, and just, I think, prayers, gratitude, all of that. So it's mainly in Igbo, and I did not translate because it would just be too much to translate. So you can skip forward. There's a little bit of English in there, but I hope you guys get to enjoy it.
Father,
I think it's wife's, because this is pretty new. My father's, so we'll go see my father's great outfit.
na-eji egwu ji site na ukwu ya. Enwere ụmụnne anyị ndị na America, they see wife they are married there and that's it. But you trace the roots. We have been able to
Amen. Amen.
It could have been more than this, but Ndola, you say, and I got Wuzun.
So in this clip, Hillary is giving my mom and also my mom's family props for like coming together, her bringing us back home, and having her siblings assist in raising us, and just expressing how it's not easy to raise 4 children on your own. But thank God for family, thank God for grandparents, thank God for our uncle and aunties, and that come through for each other. So that's what's going on here.
A year, 30th of a year, Bataleva. Bata, I only follow Funi Mende, Munya Francis. Then it came over wine. No, a ban of good, no one yours. But Mona Chica, yeah, dear Balam. Where but to have 11 was there 101 years. According to one in now first we made 101 years. The baker Francis and Hannah Heaven about Christmas. Anyway, no money, Jamana. Only Chukunya ever a woman is the ambassador for Christ. Naked no. Naked ne Kusi, Bonya Gualo, Macawa na Edo Madodo. Uquetega. If was a Guapuya, Macancy and one. Over Nago, as long as one on the big age, Maria and Gozi, good Alex. On us, come on America, some mommy just say, Mamma can miss a judge, as long as there is life. And thank God for God. Nduama well done. On 25, I can marry my 85 years old. Then I'll go my name is 102 years old, dear. Naked Chineka. Can I be really chicken money because of my mamma, man, I'm wicked, dear. Oh, but I'll bem at least 2 occasions. Oh, Yakanji was a Chineka. Mfiata. On Abazi.
Alex Akpoji, the first son of the late architect Alex Akpoji, and my mother, Dr. Chi Akpoji. My man called for too long because he might win him, so but I'm very happy to ask him here today. I'm that my father got very proud. I got labor, Malabelu. So I'm just very thankful to receive all I and I can do for everything. I'm making my wife too. Amen. My wonderful wife. So thank you everybody. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Igboukwu kwenu. Anambra State kwenu. Mbaise kwenu. Imo State kwenu.
That's a good one. How do you get the whole one?
Thank you very much. Bikono. I mean, as my husband. I have them all. They're all my husbands here. As they rightly said, I do know very, very happy. Obinatoin so much for this very occasion. I'm looking forward to this day so much, and I'm happy that it has come to pass. And I give all the praise and glory to God for this day to have come to pass. Because Kosi, we are. I know Begideba Kisi. This is your hometown, Eba. Your blood, Eba Kobido. Your DNA, Eba. Honest, this is it. Eba. So I'm really, really happy. Because thank you so much. I'm so overwhelmed. I don't know, more the overwhelmed. Those who have Sibiana Batayin, no, because I be very, very happy. I'm overwhelmed with the reception. Despite the short notice and everything, otu isi nabata anyị biko Chukwu ga-agọzi unu. And mayokwa Chukwu na-ekenekwa Chukwu for bringing Kosi and my son together, Chinedu. I really thank God because all God's will. It's His will, you know. And I believe all my reason Ojiwe made here. So we can only give Him thanks and praise. And now Yokwe people, continue to bless them.
Yeah.
With one, Mama, Papa, so can we just Jara? Hagamu, Mutamoke, Mutamai, Socias twins, yes. Bring it on, Hanchanine, Bobo, as they say.
The fourth with
quadruplets. You can't do too much. You can't do too much. Too much.
Okay, 3.
I know that's the one I did.
But I'm so happy to have met you today. It's unfortunate now for coming here, Maggie, but Imanome Kumua too. So, but again, as I said, so Chukuma, why these things happen? So Chukuma and Chuku Mekweli Hanagi will continue to lead you and strengthen you and see you through. You'll be surprised. No physique and nausea by you. You know, nausea no. Enough his money not manifesting in your life, and He will continue to do so. People accept our condolences, and He will lead you through. People, people, thank you so much once again. Thank you for a beautiful daughter, beautiful granddaughter. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Very, very well. Need you to
So this is my cousin Noma, and what she's doing is she's showing me around the compound, and it's a huge compound. And the funny thing is that this compound is actually Omi Odaminez. So anyone with my maiden last name, which is, well, obviously my used to be name, lives in this compound. So it's really huge, which I think is kind of amazing how they still live together till this day. And people are there, and it got to a point where it started getting congested, so they had to like start moving out of the compound to live, to build their own houses. But I think it's so different from my mom's place, where everyone is a little bit more gated, has their own space, and has their own this. But here, everyone shares. It's more communal, and that's how, you know, my people or the Igbos lived back in the day. And I think it's so cool that, you know, till today they're still doing that.
The pictures, and there at least so you can see my dad, because you never really see my dad's face. Have you? Would you say you seen?
Just the wedding picture.
Just the wedding picture, yeah. But this one, it was just one though. Whose house is this one?
Okay, this is an auntie, but she lives in Pacific. She's just building it.
Oh, okay. Dada. Good afternoon.
I do my dada.
Who's this one?
Dagita.
Dagita, okay. Yeah, it's a lot of. Who's that? Mom?
Hello?
Your mom called me on a video call, but I couldn't.
Oh, she
Hello?
did? Yeah, village. Maybe my brother called me video too.
Hello?
So whose house is this one?
This is that Jate's house. You say it's Gertrude.
Oh, Gertrude. Okay. That lady that came, this is her house.
No, that's the house. There is another one.
Whose house is this one?
Another Gertrude.
Oh, another Gertrude. Ah, Gertrude is a popular name.
So is he here because that's where his house is?
He was building a house.
Oh, okay, okay.
He was building a house. And then...
So it's not this house here?
No, it's not. We're going to see the house.
Okay.
You know, just like Uncle Cos, he was building the house.
Oh, yeah, and then he died.
I had to bury him just in front.
Okay.
Oh. So
everything was done inside that house.
Ah. So did he have children?
Yeah, children. You know, he married a white lady.
Oh, he did? He had married a white girl. Did they come?
No.
Oh, they didn't come? Yeah. Wow. But they brought his body back.
Yeah.
Interesting. I didn't know I never met his children or his wife.
So right now, Noma is taking me to my father's grave. My father passed when I was about 13, 14. So yeah, that was years ago. He was one of the youngest of 36 children. My grandfather had 9 wives. My grandmother was the 9th one, so the last one, and my father is the first child from that union. And so pretty much my grandfather had 36 children, and no, I have not met all 36. I only met just a handful. It's just too many, and they're all over the world. So yeah, that's why it's such a big family, hence why the compound is all filled with Odemena people, or Odemena clan. So yeah.
That's crazy.
This tree was so big, it was covering it.
Which tree?
That's a tree, look at it. Look at the tree there.
Oh.
It was covering it, it was as big as this tree, so we had to cut it. It was at that process that it broke part of it.
Wow.
The tree was so big, it was covering it, I had to cut it down.
Hey, yeah. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
That's how I'm very able to do here and the you teach here about to ban about today. No game is say bye bye. Ebu Garo knows or yes na boots. Metro boro heme pose. Yes, I to okay, I got do I got me a nose, I got me. I don't quite. What you did now, Omenala. I could sleep already. Gado dear. Koro go to nice, the only no Liam manager, we are no. So, what you be man here? Him na boku chineke. Uni hana well nana. That only papier the let. Give in there. Only hana bozo me. Which your people have done that. Let me go here. You know what? My man. That Omenala, well nana. Which people have done. So, Oboshibi has really left all of. Whatever. Thank God they have made it in a simple way without many collection without the leg and make a leg now so quickly behind here. The best thing for you, as well as it is local in this family, you are going to be the governor of your state.
Amen. Thank you. Amen.
So, whatever you are doing, you come of age, you come down. I don't work on the number. I don't work, you become the governor. Yeah. Governor. Oh, motor from the governor. And the more we want motor, I will let.
Yes.
So, I will be proud one day. Now, governor. La Jigana must go. They may go. So, and my now, Sequano. Today, my one name more corner and more. My father. Ndobra no boda agozelu ayinwa dendo agozelu na see ihe obuniti aka from 2019 here gagara gini.
Amen.
Na a lot also here 2019 here get law with omoge Chineke gagozibi ihe obuna ero in America gana nwe egi Chineke ga-eme expand enwe ihe unu chọrọ go so ujiri eze ya brandanda gine na dash ya bara ahụhụ no na ụtọ mgbe oge ha ọfụma gine ate ya nga na-atachi ike gozo God hap ndị atu ji eze ya brandanda so more you get of that. But my father said nwanne anyị nwoke na-akụzi nkụzi ya gawa di nne ya ego ụgwọ nwa di nne ya nwaanyị nwere ike bịa ọnwa agwụbele ya sị ya bịa maka ọnwa nke a na ya bịara maka ọnwa ka o ririla eri gafere agafe n'ọkụ ya kwuru bịa ọ bụrụ ma ọnwa bere ma o sevu nke ahụ riri mbụ ọ ga-esevu ka ọnwa ke so na ọ maka ọnwa gara aga so mụ ma ekwe expect si by next year me nwe big moto nke ịgbafere agbafọ n'aha gị I'm so happy. Today was a big day for me. And God have marked today that no matter what, today, a day, this my Kosi become my own Kosi. So, and my children couldn't get that Ruba couldn't know. I have all couldn't soon allow no. The remaining thing for you and so I like your chineke. Ota onu shiribia with Obioma this year. By next year I give me cake more joy. Next year December in Jesus' name. Amen. Thank you.
Can go visit
Yes.
I make Papa, I make goodness when not okay. I need the Nkata, you know, when they do when I'm not. I couldn't know my age, you know, I plan your taste away plan mana. Go see me, I'm like, oh no, my way not time. Organic, although no matter in my oh, yeah, banana because one day or the whole marker,
because on cam.
Yeah, I make it. I'm
okay, we'll see now.
Okay, just see 191. My camera, I not very bad. I'm not Bobia. I am Motosia. I identify your small. You know, it's not the first time I've ever. I have ever several times. So, can you use your chineke? You know, can you tell me which any name and almost start out one? My co was young. Yeah, but can you use your chineke? I am well to Lalo. Although her plan, I believe in divine providence. You know, my car asked na Madam a plan with that. Except that you should stamp. You need a plan. So, to pull and yeah, they're bad. You put a codigo nanga, they're not for start that one. Even myself, I'm a nanga, I know they buy my car plan with me as summer today. But or the guardian will not there pass. So, I'm a little cake. So, can you use it? Can you use it? Not for now.